A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle that pools money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of securities such as stocks, bonds, money market instruments, and other assets. It is managed by professional fund managers or investment companies. When you invest in a mutual fund, you are essentially buying shares or units of the fund. Each share represents a proportionate ownership in the total assets of the fund. The value of each share, known as the net asset value, NAV, is calculated daily based on the current market value of the fund's holdings. Mutual funds offer several advantages to individual investors. First, they provide diversification by investing in a variety of assets, reducing the risk associated with investing in a single security. Second, they are managed by experienced professionals who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may not have the time, knowledge, or resources to manage their investments actively. Mutual funds are available in various types, including equity funds, bond funds, money market funds, index funds, sector funds, and more. Each type focuses on a specific investment objective, allowing investors to choose funds that align with their financial goals and risk tolerance. Investors in mutual funds may earn returns through two primary methods: capital appreciation, increase in the value of the fund's assets, and income generation, dividends, interest, or capital gains distributed by the fund. However, it's important to note that mutual funds are subject to market risks, and the value of your investment can go up or down depending on the performance of the underlying assets. Mutual funds are commonly available for purchase through financial institutions, brokerage firms, or directly from the mutual fund companies. Before investing in a mutual fund, it's important to carefully review the fund's prospectus, which provides detailed information about the fund's investment objective, fees, risks, and historical performance. It's also advisable to consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before making any investment decisions.